Today we drive in the rain, we try to see a volcano in the rain, we try to hit some balls in the rain, we drive again in the rain, and there's more rain. And we see rain and rain. The whole day is full of rain. Good morning to our rainy adventure. We just drove a bit out of town and got some petrol, and now we use this spot to have us a little bit of breakfast. Here's some sweet stuff. I got whatever this is, and some, I don't know what this is. We made it to the crater station, and yeah, it's rainy and somehow everything looks abandoned behind us. This seems like to be some kind of old crater bus terminal. On the other side there's some camera's not working. There's some new building right beside. Oh, I just found out. Yeah. Apparently there is some kind of road you can go up to the volcano itself. You have to pay for it, obviously. We have to pay for it. But yeah, we are here, it's rainy. I'd rather pay a bit and don't get wetter than I am already, and have a look around. So we head up there and see what we can see. As expected with this as expected with this rain, there's none to a little bit visibility. It's still very rainy. We try to make the best of it. At the moment we are in some kind of volcano shelter or bunker. In case of a breakout, you would have to grab one of those helmets and hope for the best. So let's hope nothing happens. So we tried our best to have a look at the active volcano, but yeah, the weather is too bad. I will try to find some pictures online that you can at least see what kind of view we missed, but yeah, let's head to our next destination. So, on a rainy day, there's not much you can do except play baseball. Okay, I decided to get myself some dessert, melon bread with chocolate, I guess. Crunchy, not bad, except not bad. Today we are at Hotel Kirishima Castle. It's around 160 euros, which is just 50 euros more than the last hotel we had. And so far the entrance is bigger than the last hotel room. So let's have a look. We have the entrance. We have a tatami style room with futons. And I broke the door. Never mind. And an enormous room and the view of rain. Like the rest of this day, rain. We arrived at our hotel in Kirishima. The rain didn't stop and it will rain until early next morning, so we decided to do nothing, chill on the hotel, and there's a included in this hotel price, there's a dinner buffet. We will check it out. If it's worth mentioning, I will put some videos right here. If not, then it wasn't worth mentioning. And yeah, we will relax for the rest of the day and head out bright and early next morning with no rain.